everyone, in this tutorial we'll work with coins collection by player. So if you not seen before tutorials, you can find all the tutorials. The link was available in description. If you not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing video. In before video we seen how to add reposition delay into our gameplay. Just a recap, you can find how to add reposition delay and how it's working we can see. And if you not seen that video, the link was in description. You can find the video and you can see, and you can do the task in your game. Just I falls down, automatically take 3 seconds to come back the original position. So this small task which was done in before tutorial. And also you can find that how to add the checkpoints and everything, all are available in before tutorial. You can find, and how to add checkpoint tiles, everything was shown in before tutorial. That tutorial link was also available in description. Now today in this tutorial I want to say that if player collides this game object, which is coin game object, automatically it should destroy. So we can do two types by using collider, and we can using on trigger. So because here the player having collider, that is polygon collider, and coin having circle collider, if both collides, automatically the coin should destroy. This is one way, and second way is by using each trigger. So by using each trigger we can destroy the coin. So now my task is, if player touches the coin, automatically the coin should destroy. This is my task. So for that no need to create any script, because already I created a script which is coin rotation. In that only I want to write the script, because I don't want to create another script, and I don't want to add, because I don't want to maintain that many scripts. If you didn't know how to rotate the coins, and you can find the video was also available in description. You can see the coins was rotating, right? So just open the coins rotation script. This is the coins rotation script. So you can do that. And now I want to do by using on trigger, right? So just void on trigger. If you type, you will get on trigger enter 2D. We are using here on trigger enter 2D because it's a 2D game, right? So that's why I'm using on trigger enter 2D. So I want to destroy the object. Just destroy game object. Just save this one. And if you are using on trigger enter 2D, you need to check the you need to check to every coin. So you need to check this for every coin. So if you are having 10 coins, we need to add on trigger checkpoint here. So we are having 3 coins. We don't need to add script, because we already added coins rotation script. In this only we written on trigger enter. So just play the button, and how it was work. See, yes, the coin was collected by player. So you can find. So just try this one also, and you can able to see, yes, of course we collected all the coins. So you can observe, so by using on trigger enter we can collect the coins very easily. So I'll come with another video, the display of score here. So for each coin we need to give some value, and everything we'll do with another tutorial. I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel, because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos. And do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything, just do comments. I'll really